Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of modern steel gates for houses, exploring their elegant designs, durability, and how they can enhance the security and aesthetic appeal of your home. Magnifying glass tilted left, what you'll learn asterisk. The benefits of installing modern steel gates, including strength, longevity, and low maintenance. Various styles and designs that fit any architectural theme, from sleek, minimalist looks to ornate artistic patterns. Tips for choosing the right gate for your home based on size, color, and style preferences. Insights into the installation process and options for customization. Real-life examples and transformations from homeowners who've upgraded to modern steel gates. Glowing Star, why choose steel? Steel gates are renowned for their resilience and resistance to weathering, making them a smart investment. They not only provide top-notch security, but also make a bold statement about your home's character. Light bulb, join the discussion asterisk. Have you considered upgrading your gate? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe for more home improvement tips and inspiration. Bell, stay connected asterisk. Follow us on our social media platforms for daily insights and updates. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you for watching, and let's get started on elevating your home's entrance with modern steel gates.